How to pair DualSense controller to Android device. In this example, I'm using Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e, but you can actually do the same with most Android devices, tablets, mobile phones, and actually most iOS devices, iPhones or iPads. So first of all, you have to navigate to Device Settings, Bluetooth, and then you should see a list of already paired devices and available devices. Once you're in this page, now take the controller, click Share and PS buttons at the same time and hold them until you see controller flashing in blue. Just like that. Controller is now ready for pairing. So now you can refresh the page. And as you can see now, DualSense appears on active devices here. Click pairing, then pair. And that's it. Now it says connected. So the controller is actually, as you can see now, I'm controlling my tab by using DualSense. Now if I go to game launcher, now just open this game that I just downloaded for testing. So the procedure works the same for both DualShock 4 and DualSense. Basically you just hit PlayStation and share buttons at the same time, and the controller should appear on the pairing list. Okay, so now it's loading. Okay, so after doing a bit of setting up of the game and cancelling out some marketing, I'm now able to play this game. And as you can see now, I'm accelerating by hitting R2 button and steering with analog stick. There you go, nitro as well by clicking X. So yeah, that's how you connect the controller and play most games, I would say, on your Android or iOS device. So if you're looking how to connect, and if you manage to connect after watching this video, then enjoy playing your games, and if the video actually helped you, then hit that like button and subscribe for similar content. Thank you.